Hello, hello, hello. This is Nicole, your bargain Betty, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you guys are back following me. Guys, I'm here at Dollar General, and boy, do I have a deal for you. We're going to get some free lotion, we're going to get some free razors, and some free Bic pens. We're going to do a combination of paper coupons as well as digital coupons. But before I jump into the deal and before I get started, I want you guys to do me a huge favor. I want you to look right below and I want you to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on any deals or savings. And make sure you like my video and share it with all your friends and family. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready for these freebies? So what I need you to do is before you go to Dollar General, I need you to go into your Dollar General app and I need you to clip the coupon for $2 off any Vaseline Intensive Care or Suave products. And then I need you to click the $2 Bic coupon for $5 worth of Bic stationery products, okay? All right, so the first thing we're going to grab is we're going to grab 5 packs of Bic pens, okay? I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see which ones I'm getting. So I'm going to grab 5 packs of these. They're actually regularly $1.50, but right now they're on sale for $1 from December 20th through February 13th. So I'm grabbing 5 of those because I have 2 coupons. 2 coupons. Each coupon says save $2 on any 2 packs of Bic stationery. And then the digital coupon is $2 off of $5 worth of Bic stationery. So I got 5 packs so I can have $5 worth, and then I'm gonna have $1 overage that I'm gonna use on something else. Okay, all right, so let's show you what else we're going to get. So we're going to get the Bic Soleil smooth silk razors, and I'm getting 2 of those. And I'm going to use this coupon, and this coupon is $4 off the razor. As you can see, the razor is pictured there, but I'm sure you can use it on some other Bic razors, and you can use it on men's razors or women's razors. Now these razors I believe are $3.50, so it is going to give me overage, so I'm going to use that towards something else. Okay, the third thing that I'm getting is the Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion. Now I'm going to get the 10 ounce because those are only $3.50, and I'm going to use these coupons, and those coupons are $2 a piece. So then I'm just going to have to pay $1.50 for each lotion. But guess what? I also am going to use the digital coupon, which is $2 off $6 worth of Vaseline Intensive Care products. So this actually comes to $7. So I'm going to have $6 worth of coupons, and I'm going to use the overage from the pens and the razors to pay for the rest, and I'm still going to have some overage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get something else that I want to get that I don't have a coupon for. So we're going to travel to the store, and I'm going to get something else to pay for my overage. So what I'm going to get, if they have any, are some sprays, and I don't think they have any. So let's look for something else. Excuse me. I'm sorry guys, my mask keeps falling down. Okay, what I'm going to grab is I'm going to grab some dryer sheets. So let me show you what I'm grabbing. So I'm grabbing these Snuggle dryer sheets. They're only $2. So let's go to the register so that I can show you guys what my total is. So we're headed up to the register. I'm going to give her my coupons, and I'm going to use the digital coupon and let you guys see what my total is. You guys are going to be very surprised. Okay, so just going up to the register. And I'm going to hand her my items first. After I hand her my items, then I'll put my phone number in so that my digital coupons can come off. Then I will hand her my paper coupons and then pay the little out of pocket that I have to pay. Okay? So you guys are going to be very excited. So I'm going to turn the camera around so that you guys can see me putting the items on the counter. Okay, so there's the dryer sheets. There's the pens. There's the razors. And there is the lotion. So you can see her ringing everything up. $21.84. Okay, I need to put my phone number in then for my digital.
All right. Does it say DG sign in?
Yes. Okay, so my total is $21.84 with tax. As you can see, it's coming down because I had digital coupons. So it came down to $17.60. And so now I'm giving her my paper coupons, and you guys can watch it come down more. Okay, my total is 64 cents. Wow, guys, can you beat that? Not at all. So I gave her $1, and I'm going to show you guys the receipt once I get home and break it down so you can see everything in full view. That is definitely a great deal. Okay, so now I'm in the car, and I just wanted to go over the receipt with you guys so that you can see exactly what I did and how it's broken down on the receipt and how I only paid 64 cents. So I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see my receipt and you can go over it with me as I'm explaining it. Okay, so we're going to start at the top of the receipt, where the first thing I got were the Bic Pens, and as you can see, they are $1. And the $2 manufacturer coupon came off. And then as you go down, you'll see a store discount of 99 cents because the digital coupon was $2 off. Okay, the next thing that she rang up were the Snuggle dryer sheets, which were $2. And what happened with that, I didn't have a coupon for that, but I used my overage to pay for those. Then you have more Bic Pens. Excuse me, you have the Bic Razors, and the razors were $3.30. As you can see, I had the manufacturer coupon for $4, so that gave me 70 cents overage, and I had 2 of those, so that was $1.40. That overage went towards my Snuggle, okay? Then as you go down, you see the Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion. I had 2 of those. Those were $3.50 each. I had 2 manufacturer coupons, so that totaled $4. And then I had the digital coupon, which was $2. So when you add the lotion up, the lotion came to $7, but I had $6 worth of coupons. So I would have paid $1 for the lotion. But remember, I had $1 overage from the pens because I had a total of $6 worth of coupons for the pens, but I only got $5 worth of pens. So that $1 overage went towards the lotion and paid for that. So that's why my bill was only 60 cents and then $4 tax. So it came to 64 cents. So I'm pretty sure you guys really like that deal. Remember, the coupons for the lotion as well as for the razors expire this Saturday on the 16th. So make sure that you go out and use those because they will expire, and Dollar General does not take expired coupons. When you go out and do your deal, hold on to your receipt. Don't throw it away. Let me flip the camera around so I can show you why you don't want to throw your receipt away. At the bottom of your receipt is going to be a coupon for 5 off 25, and that's for this Saturday only. You can use this coupon along with your paper coupons to make a really big deal and do a really big Dollar General haul. So hold on to your receipt and go out and use this along with your other coupons. Guys, I really thank you for tuning in. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. And I have some other deals that I'll be bringing to you also from CVS and a couple more Dollar General deals. Thank you guys for tuning in and keep on saving.